All right, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be calculating the inventory that is left in our store. So the inventory that's on our shelves, what is that worth to us? There's 4 different methods that we're going to be looking at on how to calculate it. Different businesses basically choose their own method and they stick with it throughout each year. Okay? So what we have here is we are the owners of Rocky Mountain Cycle Shop. The beginning of the year, we had 12 bicycles in our shop, and when we purchased them at $82 each. On March 4th, we sold 9 bikes. On the 7th, we purchased 15 at $84. On the 10th, we sold 12 bikes. The 15th, we purchased 8 at $85. On the 17th, we sold 9 bikes. On the 22nd, we purchased 12 for $87. On the 24th, we sold 7 bikes, and on the 28th, we purchased 10 at $88. Of the units on hand at the month, 5 were left from beginning inventory, 3 were purchased on March 15th, and 2 were purchased on the 22nd. The remaining units included were purchased on the 28th. Okay, what does this all mean? Well, first off, you have to think, why is the amount different every time we buy the bikes? It could be delivery charges, gas prices, supply and demand, different things like that. And so that's what we have to take into consideration. First question we have to answer is how many units of our ending inventory, how many units are in our ending inventory? Okay, so our beginning inventory, if you look up here, has 12 in it, okay? And then on the 7th, we purchased 15 of them, okay? And then we purchased 8 more on the 15th. And then we purchased 12 more on the 22nd. And then we purchased 10 more on the 28th, okay? So that gives us 57 bikes total, all right, that we bought, all right? We sold 9 on the 4th, 12 on the 10th, 9 on the 17th, and 7 on the 24th, giving us a total of 37 bikes sold. Okay, so we had 57 bikes altogether. We sold 37 of them, giving us 20 bikes remaining in our ending inventory. Okay, all right. The next thing we need to do is we need to determine the cost of our ending inventory. The first method we're going to talk about is specific identification method. Now this one is usually used for items that are bigger and larger in price, but we're going to go ahead and show you in our bikes how do we use it. So of the 20 remaining on our shelves or in our store, we have to determine when did we buy those bikes. So we look at the barcode, the UPC code, and we're like, okay, this bike, we bought it when? It will always be listed in your instructions. So here we have 5 that were left from our beginning inventory, okay? Our beginning inventory was $82 each. So we're going to say 5 times 82, okay, $410. All right, then it says 3 were purchased on March 15th. Okay, when we purchased on March 15th, they were $85 a piece. So 3 times 85, that's $255. Okay. Then it says 2 were purchased on the 22nd. 2 were purchased on the 22nd, so 2 at 87. Okay, so that's, and then it says the remaining units were included in the 28th purchase. So 5 plus 8 plus 2 gives you 10. We had 20 bikes remaining in our ending inventory, so we have 10 left that were purchased on the 28th, and we purchased 10 on the 28th for 88. So 10 times 88 gives us, excuse me, I forgot the dollar sign here.
Daily staff, the calendar meeting is beginning.
880.
Daily staff, meet us in the SCC for the calendar meeting. Thank you.
Apologize about that. $880. All right, so now we take this and we add it up. Okay, so when you add it all up, the 410 plus the 255 plus the 174 plus the 880, you get $1,719 is what our inventory cost us according to the specific identification. Okay, FIFO is called the first in, first out method. What that means is we're determining that the first in items of our inventory were the first we sold. Okay. You know what? I'm going to break this up. So that was the specific identification.